Alright, so let's see what we got in here. Got my bumper came in the mail today. This is the new bumper for my Jeep. It's got a trailer hitch on it and two tow hitch points. So let's see what we got. Right off the bat, I gotta say this thing is packaged really nice. It's got a 1/4 inch piece of plywood. Probably overkill since the bumper is metal, but it's wrapped in foam. And then it's got the other parts. The main bumper's wrapped in more foam, and then another 1/4 inch piece of plywood on the bottom. So what we got here, let me get a knife on this and cut it open. So this is no light bumper. It's pretty heavy. So be prepared to add a little weight on the rear of your car if you've been running your Jeep without a bumper. But that's okay, because I needed a bumper I can tow something with. And I was going to build one, but I found this one. I thought, you know what, I'll just use that. And I think I'm probably going to eventually just modify it to make it my own, but for the meantime, I'll use it to tow my little trailer around for the ATVs and whatever else I am planning on towing. Now, for most of you that own Jeeps, you know that they don't tow a lot, so you probably want to tow a small trailer with it. But this thing, pretty stout bumper. Now I was looking at the Smittybilt, which is pretty much the same design here. This is not a Smittybilt. This is off the wall, no name brand. So already you can see the paint job looks really good. Came in nice. The welds look great. So it's got a 2-inch receiver on it. Your shackle, or not shackles, but the chain hooks, and then your shackle mounts. Looking on the back side, it's got a little scratch on it. I can hear some stuff inside, which I'm going to probably have to turn it over and get the particles out. Hopefully these all line up. They look like they have welded nuts on the inside, which is great. Again, that scratch on the back side, I'll probably just throw some black paint on it. No one will know. Looking on the front side though, I don't see any issues with it. Looks clean. And looks like they even put some weep holes on both sides for water. So if you do get water inside, it has a place to drain. This one may be clogged. I may open that one up just so I have a little more chance to get the water out instead of rusting. So my plan with this bumper is I think I'm going to cut this back at a wider angle to kind of match my front bumper. Maybe not. We'll see what it looks like on the Jeep. So let's see what's in this other box. So all in all, they said this thing weighs about 150 pounds. See, we got, looks like some washers to go behind the welded bumper that's on the Jeep now. Well, it's not really welded, it's part of the frame. Got the hardware. Instructions, we'll take a look at that in a minute, see how detailed it is. Got the D-rings. Does come with 2 of these. One for each side. Looks like one more bracket. Maybe for license plate. I'm not sure. I'll have to take a look where this guy goes. Wow. So that's the instructions that you get. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, but you would think there'd be a little bit more. So looking at it, you got to break it down to this. You got to take those little bumperettes off. I don't know if you can see that very well. The picture is horrible. Anyways, that's the stock bumper, and I'll show you on the Jeep. There's little bumperettes on both sides. You got to take those, remove them off. You're going to use the through holes to bolt this bumper on. Looks like you might have to drill through the frame. We'll see. Maybe that's what this is. Okay, well, that's what we get. So it's pretty straightforward, just a handful of bolts. So, anyways, there's a little unboxing of it, and you know, I'll have a video of it getting bolted onto the back of the Jeep. See what it looks like on that thing. So, thanks guys for watching.